So hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Mr. Farby and you're watching Mr. Farby as well. So you can see here, no gold trees or firecrackers in my base. So okay, it's feeling not so good. I'm giving the boost here. Okay, this is going well. And this is good. And this is well. So I have sent something to help our support liquid here. Some replays as well. Okay, so I shouldn't have to go. No, for now. So I have given there why no gold trees and firecrackers in my home village. There's something given here to download the updated version. And then what else can I help you? The game is my updated. I've told them. Great job, chef. Did you read the rest of the message? It's random, so you may be waiting. Okay. They told me to wait. And I'm giving the thanks to them. They helped me. Okay, thanks. Okay, back go. And I will advise you as well, if you have this problem in your base, no firecrackers or no, you can say that gold trees or money trees as well on your update version of your phone. And I'll advise you to wait because it's random. They already showed. So okay, so clan games is running here. You can see. Okay, look at this. Look at this 4 versus battles. It could be helping. Okay.
Guys,
And
I mean,
go and battle. Okay. Oh my god, oh my god. It's my favorite unit, favorite strategy to attack after coming BH7. So there you go. 2 for this, 1 for it, 1 for it, 1 for it, and can't. So 1 for the rest, 1 for it as well. Kill, 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 come on, come on, come on. Oh no. Okay, so it will gonna take on the laboratory, star laboratory. 2 for it, 2 for it. Tesla, no. 2 for it, 2 for it. That's good. And 2 for it as well. Come on. Ah, no, not this, not this. Okay, 1 for this. And 1 for this too. And 1 for it. I just spent too many here. Too many. So 2 for this now. 2 for this. 2 for this. Oh, what have I done? Shit. Never mind. There you go, there you go. Blasting something here. This looks good. Oh no. Mega Mine. Okay, I gonna take on this as well. So I think I should win. And I could win. No, 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 no. Where is going? Ah! I hate Russia. As my opponent defense. Okay, I think I have done this. Oh yeah. What is doing? No, no, no. Come on. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh yeah. Come on. Beat. Beat. Yes. Yes. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, Archer, Archer, Archer. Okay, thanks a lot. 73% monster. I have to win this. And yes, I have done it. Daily road chemistry. Not a big problem. No stairs we have made. So I have to wait. Never mind. I'm gonna attack another one. They are saying something again. Have a great day. Thanks. Okay. Give me 5 star. Submit. Nothing to do. Right. Oh, this is good. And have a look at here. One of this I've done. Should I attack? Okay, go for attack. Not I have not the base troops of town line or level 7. It's the best for level 7. You can see 5, 4, not so good. It's not I I'm not saying not so good. It's too bad, too bad. Okay, this is good. Pretty good. So there you go. There you go. 2 for you. I just don't want to die. So 2 there. And the other there. There's good. And 1 for there. Go inside. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Rage it. Heal it. Oh, my luck. I want 100% on it. So I'm doing everything I can. Come on. No. Okay, never mind. Offer is going on. So the last 4 lucky wizards go the same. Quick, quick, quick. I want to save this bit. I want the 100%. Okay. So 2 still will be. Come on. I lost my healer as well. But I still looking for 100%. No, my pick has gone. Oh my gosh, I lost my pick. And I lose it as well. So 12 profits, never mind. Was too easy. But my attack wasn't good, I think. Okay. Same troops. I think it's ready here. Yeah, it's ready. Go and attack. Okay, okay, so here's the good news for me. The mortar is under construction. But it's not gonna help me as much as I thought. It's a good base without a mortar as well. But a big defense is not here. There's the good news. Now, come on! Last one, no. Minute to go. Oh, a giant bomb on the side of the base. Come on, hit that shit. Get it, get it, get it, get it. Come on, where is going? Grab. So two of for this, two for this, two for this. One. No, come on, don't follow the barbarian. Giant cannon worked there, worked well there. Okay, he's following someone. What the hell is this? Three firecrackers in a row. But it wasn't gonna help me, so I'm leaving it as it is. Going for this, going for this. Come on, come on, come on, come on, blast. Oh no, just once. Arch. No. So just 50% and a start. Look what happened there. Yeah, a victory as well. So 2 of victory. And thanks for watching. Oh, what was that? What was that? Just 1%. Oh, I'm so lucky. Anyway, I have given 2 bombs, a mega mine and a mine. They, oh no, attack from this way. That is why it couldn't give me 100% of damage. If they attack from this way, it could be 100% damage. But my mine will get this. Okay, 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 okay. Nicely done. My defense, thank you. This is it. Thanks for watching. And if you don't subscribe my channel, you will get a minus. Please subscribe my channel to get a plus and any base. Thanks for watching and give it